So the first thing you want to do is press the knob and turn it to the ultra function and press the knob to select ultra. Now we're going to press the knob to turn the time to what we want it to be. In this case it's going to be 2 hours. And press the knob to confirm your selection. Now we're going to turn the knob to the pressure level. It's already on none, which is no pressure, but I want to show you how to change it. You press the knob to change it, and you can turn it from none to low to high. And we're going to just select none. So we press the knob to confirm the selection and turn the knob to change the temperature level to custom. You can do other levels, but for sous vide we want to select custom. So press the knob to confirm the custom selection and change the temperature to the desired temperature, in this case 145 degrees. Press the knob to confirm the selection. Now we're going to press start to begin the sous vide.